Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete a listing on Depop. Now, first thing first, ensure that you're properly signed in on Depop, and you can achieve that by going to your browser and typing in Depop. It will take you to this page, and on this page, you can do well to sign in or log in to your Depop account. Now, signing in entails that you have your Gmail address, password, phone number, and all the information needed for you to get yourself properly signed in. Ensure that you state your country and all of the information needed. Now, after doing that, you would be prompted to log in to your Depop platform. So this is what it looks like when you're properly logged in. Remember, Depop is a platform where you can sell and buy all sorts of things. You can get access to a lot of brands. You can buy them as brand new, you can buy them as thrifts, and you can engage and follow and build your account on Depop. Now, to show you how to delete a particular listing on Depop, the first thing you want to do is head over to your profile icon, which at the top right corner over here. It's always going to be represented by your brand's image or your details as you had listed it. Now click on that and you would see a list of options. Go to the first one and click on my profile, and it will take you to this page. Now this is the page where all your items have been listed. If you had my item listed, you will see it over here. So if my items were here, the next thing I will do is ensure that I head over to the particular item I want to remove from my shop. I'll click on that and the listing page will open. Now the next thing I want to do is click on the three dots that will appear at the right corner of my screen, and I'll select edit from there. And when I'm done, I would see options to scroll through. When I've done that, I will see the option to delete listing, and then when I'm done with that, I'll confirm when prompted, and that item will be permanently deleted from my Depop shop. All right, so that is how you can delete a particular listing on Depop. Make sure that you have your accounts ready. Remember, you have to go to your profile page where you have your listing. This is where you list your items. When you're done, this will appear on your profile page. And when you do that, ensure that you select your profile and pick the particular item you want to delete. Click on edit, head over to where you have delete listing, and delete easy and seamlessly. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to delete a listing on Depop. Until next time, bye for now.